Yo, what's good friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a super deep interior clean of our Subaru, but at the same time we're going to be testing out this little green machine, a cleaning product by Bissell. What I have in my hand is a general stain remover for upholstery and carpets alike, but today we're going to be using it for the car. At the end of all of it, it's like killing two birds with one stone. First, we're going to have a super clean Subie interior, which is just gonna be so satisfying to try and clean. But you're also gonna be getting my personal unbiased opinion and review of this product and of its effectiveness, or if it's even effective, and if it's worth it to get one for yourself. So let's get to cleaning, shall we? So we did already get started, took the seats out and pre-soaked and brushed the carpet, but we're gonna be doing the same to the seats now. And for those people wondering what solution we're using, it's a mix of mostly water with a bit of dish soap and isopropyl. But we're gonna go back in there with the little green machine and hopefully get some of the harder stains, like the salt stain, off. If it makes any difference, I'm using warm water, okay? And I've already vacuumed this once, so this is just to loosen up some of the dirt on the surface.
I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food in the fridge. Y'all be looking for a new way. I think I like it how it is.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs.
While we wait for that to dry-ish, we're gonna move on to our front seats. And who knows when the last time was that they've been washed, especially with a stain remover like a steam cleaner. So we're gonna be doing that thoroughly today. But if you look really closely, like on the frame rails, there is actually a little bit of rusting. So we're gonna get rid of that on both sides. And yeah, actually on the side here, you can see that it is actually really dirty. On the passenger side, there is also a little bit of rust. So again, we're gonna do our best to get rid of all of that. We got our work cut out for us. So,
요즘 따라 네 생각은 잘 안 나. 우리 헤어지고 나서 feeling better than ever. 대체 무슨 사이였는지 이제 기억도 안 나. Every bit of love is gone. 그 시간 다 잊었나 봐.
Damn, that's pretty nasty. Just from a little part of one seat. So the verdict. Really don't know if it was just me or if this secondhand machine is broken. I did buy it from somebody off Facebook Marketplace. I mean, it did its job in getting rid of stains, but that could be in the brushes effect. It just wasn't vacuuming up as much excess solution and liquid as I thought it would. Other than that, as much as I love green, this Bissell little green machine, I'd give it a proper 6 out of 10. I would probably invest that $100 on another machine or maybe even a detailer, especially if they're like time restrained. Again, it's good for smaller stains, and probably the fresher the stain, the easier to get out, but any dirt and debris that's been there for a longer time needs extra prep. That's why you saw me using that spray bottle and a brush beforehand. But it's all good, as long as the Subie is super clean and I know every crevice of the interior has been brushed. And it's a plus that my seats are rust free. That's a satisfaction for me every time I get into this car to drive it. But that's it for this video. Appreciate the watch. Next video, I promise you will be painting the exterior to be one color. So more Subie content for you guys. For now, I appreciate your guys' time. Would make me happy if you guys dropped a like to help with the algorithm. And if you leave some good vibes in the comments, I mean, I guess that's enough. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.